A viral video on social media shows Shanghai residents screaming from the windows of their apartment buildings after 7 days of a strictly enforced COVID-19 lockdown of the city. The video shows the frustrated residents screaming out their windows as a drone appears to circle the area in an apparent attempt to quiet the yelling and encourage compliance. Shanghai had over 26,000 new reported cases of COVID-19 on Sunday, according to reporting from Fortune. The outbreak is the largest in 2 years, spawning a complete lockdown of the city in line with China's zero-COVID policy. The policy aims to completely eradicate the virus with citywide lockdowns that force residents to stay inside their homes. The week-long lockdown has caused food shortages for many residents of the city, with people forced to use delivery apps or rely on government deliveries. But delivery companies have had a difficult time keeping up with demand. The country's largest e-commerce platform, Alibaba, announced that individual orders are delayed a week. You can only buy through groups now, because individual stores just can't deliver anymore, a Shanghai resident told Fortune. The delay has caused residents to pool together and order deliveries in bulk, sharing food with their neighbors as they attempt to wait out the lockdown.